So this was not an instructional video because I never did it before, so I didn't know what to expect, but I'm happy with it. Okay, so I put some rub on there, salt, pepper, garlic, equal amounts of each, about 2 tablespoons of each, kosher salt, and now I'm going to let it sit here until it reaches room temperature, maybe a little bit more. I think I'm going to start putting it on the cooker at about 9 and it's 7 now, so in 2 hours. Welcome to Let's Food and Barbecue, my first brisket. I have prepped the brisket by dry brining it, and I brought this cooker up to 225. It's been running 225 for a little over an hour, and then I got a couple of probes I'm going to put in there. And what I have is this, it's really hard to see, it's a 7.5 pound flat. It's really hard to find a brisket in Sweden, so I'm happy that I did have a possibility to order this. So I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna run it for 225. At the moment it's 9:30 at night, and I'm gonna go to bed in a bit, and I'm just gonna leave it to its own devices. I've got a barbecue temperature regulator that I'm gonna use to keep this at 225 all through the night. Anyway, I'll bring you back in the morning and show you what it looks like then. Good morning, everybody. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is at the stall. It's been there most of the night. I did check the temperature when I went to bed, and I figured was gonna give it a go of reaching the desired internal temperature by itself, but it didn't. So I'm gonna wrap it now. I've got 6 hours until lunchtime. I hope it's gonna be done. Otherwise, we're gonna eat something else. This really does look nice, I must say. Lift this whole thing off, I think, and put the probe back in. One there, one over here. Time to get the lid back on, and now it's back to monitoring. Okay, so it's been another couple of hours, and both probes are telling me that it's now 203. So I'm gonna go test this for tenderness. I already did a bit ago, but I didn't think that is actually really tender. I think I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna wrap it in another sheet of aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna put it in the cooler. It's now 10:30, and my son and his girlfriend, they arrive here at 2, so I want this to be done by then. It should be a go then. At least it's been cooking. Anyway, into a cooler, and see you in a bit. Time to unwrap this. Let's see what we have. This has been lying in the cooler, like I said, since 3 hours ago. Not really sure what's up and down, so we're just gonna get all of this off here. We get some moisture coming out. This smells really nice, and it's really warm, so just gonna get rid of this. Okay, so the grain is going this way, so we're just gonna cut into it. I don't have one of those fancy. Oh, this cuts really easy. Oh, it's got a lovely smoke ring. There we go. I'm gonna do a pull test. Pulls apart nicely, I would say. And also, it's really juicy. I need to taste it. That's very nice. That's extremely juicy. I like that. Well, I'm gonna cut some slices because my birthday dinner guests are arriving in a minute or two. So let's give this an official taste test then. This is super tender. It's got a really nice taste from the salt, pepper, garlic. The smoke is okay. It's not overly there, but I really like the smoke ring. I'm gonna have another piece. Yeah, that's good. So this was not an instructional video because I never did it before, so I didn't know what to expect, but I'm happy with it. Thank you for watching. Bye.